Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image so PowerPoint can work with it smoothly. Insert the file via Insert Pictures, then choose your source. Once placed, resize using corner handles to preserve aspect ratio. Make sure to set the desired resolution beforehand because scaling up low-res images creates blur. Once done, toggle Snap to Grid for cleaner alignment, and use Format Picture to name the object for easy selection later. This prevents accidental rearrangement while you proceed to corrections. You now refine the image. Adjust size numerically in the size pane to match slide layout and lock aspect ratio so shapes remain natural. Use crop with aspect ratio presets to enforce 16:9 or 4:3 and crop to shape if you need rounded or custom silhouettes. Once done, open picture corrections and adjust sharpness, brightness, and contrast gradually. These sliders repair exposure and edge softness. Make small changes, compare before and after, and save a duplicate slide to preserve the original. Finish by correcting color and cleaning any unwanted background. Use color or recolor presets to fix white balance and boost saturation. You can also adjust temperature and tint for skin tones. If needed, use Remove Background, then mark areas to keep and remove, refining edges with the Mark Areas tool so the cutout looks natural. Once satisfied, compress pictures for file size and export the slide or save as PNG or JPG. If edges look jagged, undo, increase image resolution, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.